For over 70 years, Down Inc. has proudly operated in the Grand Rapids, Michigan community, continuing a legacy of innovation in bedding manufacturing. Today, we're excited to showcase our newly renovated facility at 615 Evergreen, purpose-built to support the future of automation. In partnership with ACG Kinna Automatic, we've introduced a first-of-its-kind pillow shell automation system, designed and built in Sweden, and the only one of its kind operating in the United States. This advanced technology measures, cuts, sews, and trims fabric with precision, following a programmed recipe for each product. With just 2 operators, the system can produce up to 5,000 pillow shells in a 10-hour shift. To further enhance efficiency, we've also integrated a state-of-the-art roll cutting system, ensuring consistent fabric preparation before production even begins. Once completed, the pillow shells are transported to Down Inc.'s Walker, Michigan facility, where the transformation continues from a 2-dimensional shell to a 3-dimensional pillow. At this location, Down Inc. manufactures a full range of top-of-bed products, including sleeping pillows, comforters, and decorative pillows. Using advanced filling automation, each pillow is filled in as little as 7 seconds, compared to the traditional 45 seconds. Every pillow is filled according to a precise recipe, ensuring consistent weight and quality. From there, skilled team members complete the process, closing, finishing, and packaging each product with care. This investment positions Down Inc. to supply products throughout the United States and beyond. It's a powerful step forward in combining automation with craftsmanship right here in West Michigan.